In this Canva video, we will create Canva collage frame. For this, open a blank video page, click on text, click on add a heading, add some number, increase its size. Now go to elements, then click on shapes, select this line, click here for border color, select white color, place this line on upper side, duplicate this line and place it here. Now again duplicate and place at these positions. Now rotate this line, increase its height, place it in the middle. Click on share, download PNG and download the file. File is downloaded. Now open new tab and in the address bar search for photopea.com. Upload the downloaded image from Canva. Now select this background, select this tool, right click, layer via copy, right click and select pixels, click on paths, select this circular path, click on layer, vector mask, click on current path. Now go to layers, click on this background layer, layer via copy, new layer is added, right click and select pixels. Now click on paths, select this path, click on layer, vector mask, current path. Now click on layers, select this portion, right click, layer via copy, select this layer, select pixels, click on path, go to layer, vector mask, current path. Now click on layers, select this layer, go to layers, select background. Now select this layer, layer via copy, select pixels, paths, go to layer, vector mask and current path. Now go to file, export as PDF. It's converted to frame. It will be downloaded as PDF. Now go to Canva, add new page, now upload here downloaded PDF, click on the PDF, now go to elements, search for pictures, click on photos, let's select this photo and drag and place it on this and it will be added to this frame. Now again select another image and move it on this layer and it will be added to this frame. Similarly, you can add other images as well. Since it's converted to frame, so you can add images to each section of this number like this. In this way, we can add images to the Canva collage frame. I hope you like this video. Kindly share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.